All right, my people, welcome back. Yeah, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. Yes, my brother, my sister is getting to the level right now. And then, right now, as it stands, the Yoruba Nation agitators definitely will be vindicated. In fact, they are about to be vindicated right now. What are we talking about? My brother, my sister, one Nigeria that a lot of them are talking about, most especially the Yoruba traitors. Are you still really sure that this set of people will still want to talk about it? Are you sure they will still want to support one Nigeria? Because right now, a lot of things are going wrong. Most especially for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Yes, some days ago, the APC had a rally. They have their own rally, the APC presidential rally in Ogun State. And Bola Ahmed Tinubu actually spoke at length. Yes, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is someone who is very vocal, and he made mention of a lot of things talking about revolution and many things. Right now, the whole scenario is no longer funny as majority of the opposition party are of the opinion that Tinubu must be arrested. Yeah, so that he has to be arrested, that he is not immune to arrest. All right, what are we talking about? All right, onto this one, it had been gathered that DSS should take note of Ashiwaju's comment on revolution. He is not immune to arrest, and this had been said by Frank Shaibu. Well, onto this, the spokesperson of the Atiku and then Okowa Campaign Council, Frank Shaibu, has alleged that the DSS should take note of the words of the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed, in Abeokuta. Well, onto this, Asiwaju, who stated at the rally in Ogun State that a revolution is coming, and Shaibu identified that this is a sensitive word from a presidential candidate who had inaugurated a military group called the Jagaban Army. He argued that with just few days to the election, Asiwaju should be mindful of his words and they shouldn't try to instigate the people to cause problem. Onto this is said the Minister of Petroleum is the President and the Commander-in-Chief of Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that is President Muhammadu Buhari, and the Central Bank of Nigeria governor takes instruction from the President. The DSS should take note of Ashiwaju's comment on revolution. He is not immune to arrest. He cannot begin to talk about a revolution with 29 days to election. All right, such a man will not want to concede defeat, and then he will create chaos, particularly when he just created the Jagaban army. He cannot begin to preach revolution in a country that practices democracy. If he says he will take power from them, who is the them? It is the APC. All right, and then right now, majority of people have actually reacted. When Tinubu was of the opinion earlier that he will be taking over from them, and then we are not like, oh, who are the them? Still on the APC to APC. So right now, this is to tell you that there is trouble in the election coming right now. A lot of things will go wrong. My brother, my sister, we all need to be very, very prayerful. And then right now, onto what had been gathered, it had been said that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is taking it as a do or die, and they have to get him arrested if possible, simply because he has said what is not supposed to have said. Yes, and then as it stands, he is not immune to arrest. What is that telling us? That means he should be arrested if he continues in that. Well, right now, I think everybody needs to wake up and then open his or her eyes. If you are still telling me you are supporting one Nigeria, my brother, my sister, I don't know. I pity you, because right now, this set of people are not even for the same one Nigeria of a thing. And that's exactly what I have seen to that. In the first place, you are coming as a leader, you are coming as a president that want to take over the land, that want to make the people smile, but you are taking it upon yourself as a do or die. That is another one part of it. And then the other part of it is that the other party themselves are also taking it as a do or die thing, at the detriment of the masses. Right now, we have said it times without number. This set of people, in fact, they have even confronted us. They have said it to our hearing so many times that this election that is coming up, don't get it twisted. We are not coming to take care of anybody, but we are coming for our own self. My brother, my sister, this is so strong. Yes, and right now, if you are one of those people that is still saying, "Oh, one Nigeria is the way," come off it right now. Well, though a lot of people on their own part are of the opinion that Tinubu has boxed himself to a corner, and then according to what I have here, high tension, that's the name I'm having here right now, onto this say, "Oh, I love what is happening, our God is at work. Buhari, for you not supporting this selfish tyrant, criminal god of Lagos politicians, so-called Jagaban, a man with mental case who wants to rule Nigeria. By all means, I don't they like you small small." All right. That's another one. Now this is another one coming from Agoro Oriyomi. He says, "Well, some are literate but ideally incapacitated." He said, "Revolution through PVC. Where are all the characters from? For heaven's sake, okay, is PVC revolution so difficult to understand or just shared hypocrisy?" All right, so if the government will continue to enslave the people and feel unconcerned about people's well-being, the country is overripe for revolution. We are not trash. All right, that's another one from Obafemi Afowoshere. All right, so this one is coming from Do Good. I say, "Well, Buhari knows fully when the game he is playing together with his fellow Fulani man Atiku Abubakar. The eyes of the Southerners should be opened to realize this." All right, Atiku does not believe in one Nigeria. If he does, he would have ceded that position to Wike or somebody from the south. He has that notion that it is only northerners that can rule Nigeria. People should see to this. Well, I think I'm going to stop there onto this part. Right now, we already know what is actually going on. The election is just some days right now to commence, and a lot of things are coming up right now, of which we already know that definitely to get to this, everybody is fighting for his own pocket. That's exactly what me I have actually seen to what is going on right now. Yes, so be it Tinubu, be it Atiku, be it Buhari, and the rest of them. Now, the Northerners want to continue to rule. They have said it that they were born to rule and they must take over anything, everything, in fact, that actually belongs to them. And they have said it that every part of Nigeria belongs to them. Okay, no wonder they have made Northerners as running mates all through. Yes, so and if you don't get it, then you forget about it. All right, because right now, if you are still out there, you are telling me that it's only one Nigeria that can make it happen, then you are a dead meat, simply because this set of people don't have your feelings. They don't even have you in their own heart. What they know is that they want to rule. And who are we talking about? We're talking about the Northerners. And right now, the set of people who have been very wise talking about the Yoruba Nation agitators, they have said it before that as far as this election is concerned, though, it will not even favor anyone. It will not favor the Yoruba people. Forget it that a Yoruba man is even contesting. Bola Ahmed Tinubu might not understand the great consequences that will come out of it if he ventures allow himself to be ruled by these people, because definitely they have brought in a running mate who is a northerner. A lot of people had actually complained about that running mate himself. So right now, some set of people are still there simply because they've been given peanuts. That's exactly why I see to that. They have been given peanuts. Some of them have collected some fund they believe can take them forever. But don't get it twisted. The good Lord will surely disappoint such people, because right now nothing is actually working. You can't tell me that a northerner will tell you that they want to allow you, a southerner, to rule. No way, my brother, my sister, no way. Right now we need to tell ourselves the truth. At this 11th hour, Buhari is coming out straight that his support is for Atiku. So who is fooling who? Now his own brother is coming in. And forget it that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when he was campaigning for Buhari, he neglected his own people for the sake of Buhari. Now the same Buhari is coming in, neglecting the same finger that fed him, the end that fed him. What does that tell you, my brother, my sister? This is to tell you that the northerners have said it. Everything they have said is what they want to put in place, that they were born to rule and that they must rule. They don't care about you, the southerners. So if you are out there, you are still shouting, oh, Emi Lokan, Yoruba Lokan. My brother, my sister, we need to wake up. And that's why I've said this times with that number. We, the Yoruba nation agitators, we need to wake up on this one. We need to reason well. As far as this movement is concerned, my brother, my sister, Yoruba nation is the answer. I will say it, I can say it again. Let the people go their separate ways so that there will be peace in the land. With what is coming right now, the Yorubas will say, "Dugbe dugbe to mi loke yi." Okay, right, my brother. It is not funny at all. We all need to wake up. Somebody is of the opinion that it is very good that this is happening to Jagaban, because he has sold out his own people to the northerners. Now the northerners are dealing with him. He's now coming out to tell us that yes, so either they like it or not, they should change the ink of the naira note. We shall win. We shall become the president. You can imagine all sort of things coming out from them right now. Now Tinubu now understand that he has to be praising all Nigerian youth. But when they were killing the Nigerian youth at Lekki Toll, he did not say anything about it. Even when the people have accused him of the cause of everything, that he sent them to kill all the people, to massacre all the youth at the toll gates, he never said anything. Right now, he's coming out boldly, screaming at the top of his voice that great Nigerian student. My brother, my sister, you need to go watch that campaign, that rally, so to say, the APC presidential rally that was just held in Ogun State. Then you will understand exactly what we are talking about. Well, meanwhile, Yoruba Nation, no going back, exactly what it is, my people, onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.